I'm Liberty Dawn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, friends. Have you ever had those awesome friends who you tell everything to? Those friends who know absolutely everything that there is to know about you. Me too. But, dun 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 dun, something that I've been realizing more and more over the last year or so is that maybe I shouldn't trust people with much information as I have previously. Turns out people really don't need to know absolutely every detail of aspects of your life or of different situations. What a shocker! And I guess it shouldn't be quite as much of a shocker as it is to me, but nonetheless, it is. You know, when you were a little kid in elementary school, middle school, you remember when you had your BFF and they were your sole source of worth and happiness and social status in school. And you cannot forget the Mansion Diaries. Ta-da! But aha! At last you reach high school and college, and suddenly you and your BFF might start to drift apart. Maybe you get different friends. Maybe. I don't even know. Something will happen. And the more detached to each other's secrets you might become. So things inevitably slip. So to be completely honest, I don't think that friends and old friends are necessarily sharing things maliciously. Sometimes secrets get shared. But if that one person didn't know as much as they did, there would be a way less chance of that thing having gotten said. And that keeps everything on the up and up. The thing that I've been really trying to do more of is share less with one person. Don't rely on that one person to keep all your secrets or all your problems. A lot of things don't need to be shared, period. And other things, when you do share, you don't have to share all the details. So what about you? Are you someone who shares everything with one person? Does that work for you? Has it brought up issues in the past? Are you someone who really doesn't share anything at all? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, share this video. I'm Liberty Dawn, and thanks for watching. Yay!